are in Shibuya.
We'll take that reel also, like what the hell is happening in Shibuya.
I just felt Sukuna's presence. What the hell is happening in Shibuya?
We're taking a reel and we failed, but we'll try again at night. I hope it doesn't rain. At night it won't be this embarrassing, no. What are we gonna do in Shibuya today?
Shopping. You guys will eat ramen.
It's the first time Shekina's shopping.
No. I shopped when I went to India also. But not from Tokyo.
Oh, from here. Twice. Second time Shekina. Second time Shekina's shopping, guys. We're gonna have Wagyu ramen and comment down below if you want Shekina to eat.
No, I'm not eating, guys. I hate Japanese food.
Why?
Yeah, my McD is there, right there.
This is where Tokyo Sims always stands, by the way.
Did you find one?
This is the first time I'm vlogging in Shibuya, guys. And this is the second last time I'm coming to Shibuya.
No.
Yay. Okay, third last time. Third last time. This is new, no?
Yeah, I'm also seeing Goncha.
Gotcha. It's like a bubble tea from Australia. Wait, our ramen is
This way? Okay.
okay.
You guys text me after you're done.
No, not this, not here. Come, I know. This guy is the worst at navigating. Wait, I'll. This one.
Wasn't it like Tokyo? This was 1500.
Inflation. I no, Wagyu is expensive. No,
But last time
I'll have.
year ago.
It's the same only, da. I think it was that much.
So I'm gonna take giant crispy karaage.
So not Wagyu. You can take the shoulder, no. What is the difference between shoulder and sirloin? Let me Google.
Hey guys, YouTubers or?
Itadakimasu. I finished the noodles. This is proof that I finished the noodles. Still hasn't finished anything. And we got dessert. I am not amazing.
Body pierce, body pierce.
Why did you hear that?
Yeah, I want Susan to get her body pierce. Shall we also join?
I don't mind.
How far will this be?
We have to go to Donkey. No, that's the opposite. Happy Pride. Happy Pride. Happy Pride.
So,
Oh, sugoi. Sugoi.
see which shower you get.
Okay.
You might get surprised.
Oh. Got stickers. Yeah. It's so cute. The Nike logo is rainbow now.
I think Hoka.
Show your sticker.
Oh, my sticker is so small.
Zara display. Like I was like, oh, display of Starbucks. Then I was like, no, somebody left it here because they couldn't find dustbin in Japan.
Susan's favorite place.
Yes, I literally know everything, like where, which floor, everything I know.
I want these then. So
So we
I'm
finished.
tired, guys. Susan's energy is 3 times mine.
We did
I'm already
shopping.
dead
We
and
just
she
like
has-
did shopping for 20 minutes.
No, it's not 20 minutes. It's too long.
So we did shopping from Donkey. Now we're going to Onitsuka Tiger. We're doing pakka touristy stuff today, like running in Shibuya crossing.
Yeah. We came from that side.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We're going back and forth a lot now.
Very, very crowded. Oh my god.
The next stop is Nihonbashi Shin-chan. Please change
We're
for
going
the
to
Kingdom
do more
and
shopping.
Toei Asakura.
And even though this guy had other plans, he had so much FOMO that he came with us.
Where is your mic?
My charge over.
My butt on her face.
Oh. Exit 5 is this left side.
Show Tesla.
How?
Windows.
They looked at us. I don't know. It's raining slightly.
It's nice weather. Show the weather also.
It's not hot. Probably next week it's full raining, no?
Yeah.
So as the weather predicted, it was raining. It was raining so much after that, and I couldn't record and then hold the umbrella and hold the shopping bags. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog by giving a haul of whatever I got today. So today was majorly Shakina's shopping day, but yeah, I got some stuff, so I'm gonna give a haul. So the first place we went was Mega Don Quijote. I got this chocolate. So I love the Baskin Robbins Mint Choco Chip ice cream. This is seasonal chocolate, so when I found it, I had to take one. Then I got the Melano CC vitamin C serum. I've got a pack of cute pimple patches. These are fruit pimple patches. Eye cream. Sana eye cream. So when my mom came to Japan, she found these long ass toothbrushes, and apparently it's really easy to brush with this, so she asked me to take this back to India. So I got 4 of these. We went to Trayfac Style. So Trayfac Style is a thrift shop, and I found this bag there. I got this for my sister. Went to 3 Coins. I got this shoulder strap. So it's called a multiple shoulder strap. Bye. See you in the next vlog.